I am Aditya Pran Khagaria along with my group partner Sorokhavan Nilkanta Mate and Uttam Kumar Setia. And our project name is regenerative braking along with ABS system, that is anti-lock braking system. So what we are doing, we are making one stand and on that stand we fix this wheel. On both sides of this wheel we are connecting to a motor of 200 RPM and 12 volt. Here we are using ABS pulsing system. Here means instead of that we are using microcontroller ATmega32, and here it is a counter circuit which will count the 16 pulse. During this 16 pulse this capacitor bank will charge, and after that 16 pulse this capacitor bank will discharge. This capacitor bank consists of 20 capacitor of 6800 microfarad and 25 volt. After that we are connecting one bulb is there and one motor which are connected in series. Then this is the digital multimeter where we will see the voltage, that means voltage drop across this capacitors, and there is a brake where my friend Mete will press it and we can see. So how it works, Uttam will give the supply as this wheel will rotate with the help of engine, but we don't have the engine, so that's why we are giving the supply through the main, and we try to rotate this wheel. After that ABS pulsing will create some pulses. Up to 16 pulses this capacitor bank will charge, and after that 16 pulse this capacitor bank will discharge it, and we can see that the bulb will glow, motor will rotate, voltage will discharge, and this will at last will come into stop. So thus we can store the energy, wastage of energy. So now we can store it. So my friend Uttam has given the supply, and this whole wheel is rotating with its full speed, that is 200 RPM, and this supply will given 12 volts. So we can see that here in the multimeter there is no voltage drop across this capacitor. That means the whole capacitor is showing 0 volt. So since this wheel has came to a full RPM, that means full speed, then my friend Mete will press this brake switch. Then you can see that through microcontroller this counter circuit is there. There will 4 LED will glow. After when all the 4 LED will glow, then the capacitor bank will charge, and after that 16 pulses this capacitor bank will discharge it, and then light will glow and motor will rotate, and the voltage will be decreases. So now my friend Mete will press the brake. So he is pressing the brake and the light is pulse is taken. See, after 16 pulse this bulb will glow and this motor will rotate, and the voltage is going decreases. Thus we can store the energy, and this wheel is already stopped. After that when he removes the brake, then again this wheel will rotate. So again when he will press the brake, and again after 16 pulse this capacitor, then voltage will decreases.
And at the same time speed also decreasing
At the speed.
less time.
So thank you.
And this is our project.